Long ago, before even dinosaurs roamed the earth, there were huge jungles and swamps. This was called the Carboniferous era. Life was very different then. It was an age of amphibians roaming the swamps and land, and of insects. Some insects crawled and some flew, but they were all giant. Dragonflies could grow to be the size of seagulls. Eventually, these plants and animals died. The trees and plants that died fell into the swamps and got covered with soil, mud, and water, and started to break down into a material called peat. Over time, layers built up, and as they did, they pushed down on the layers below. We call this force pressure. As well as the increased pressure, the layers would have been heated by the earth. Eventually, the peat layers turned into coal. The more heat and pressure on a layer of coal, the harder the coal became. More layers continued to build up over time, and coal layers ended up deep underground. Layers of coal are called seams. They were hidden underground for millions of years. Eventually, people discovered the coal underground. They started to dig it out from around the 1700s. To get to the coal, they created vertical tunnels called shafts. They started to sink the first shaft at Woodhorn in 1894. Horizontal tunnels would come off from the vertical shaft, so miners could follow the coal seams and dig out the coal. This was then taken and burned as fuel to create energy. Nowadays, we use less coal and focus more on sustainable energy sources, but for a long time it was an important resource in industry and in people's homes.